Hello everyone, welcome to another review of Noun Town. I wanted to finish the video about meaningful word separation in Noun Town's German learning section, but I caught a bad cold and couldn't do anything creative, so I have to postpone it. It will be ready in the upcoming weeks. In the meantime, Noun Town had 2 updates. I think you will fall in love with this game after seeing them. I discovered them while playing Noun Town last Sunday. In the zoo area, you can learn the name of various animals. When you pick up an animal, it wiggles over your head as if it is scared. After learning the name and putting it down, the animal creates some angry smoke, then falls asleep, as if your learning disturbed its dream. But how can we wake up these cute animals? Let's just finish our test. Once we complete it, the animals wake up and start to dance. It is absolutely adorable. Now, let me tell you how grateful they are to be woken up and enjoy the life in Noun Town. After waking them up, you can pick them up again. While they still wiggle above your head, once you put them down, they shower you with red hearts and follow you around. These little creatures love you. This goes not only for the animals in the zoo, but also goes for the animals at the beach. For example, this whale. Once you pick it up and put it down, it showers you with red hearts and follows you around. However, this goes only for cute animals. Annoying animals, for example this mosquito here, we can pick it up and put it down again. It will just stay there. It will not follow you around. I think you will feel afraid when a mosquito follows you around. One challenge all users of language learning apps face is maintaining motivation to keep using the app. This is a challenge for the apps themselves too, as they need active users. Many apps try to achieve this by marking learning streaks on the calendar and giving encouraging messages if you stay consistent. Some apps even express disappointment if you've used them less than the previous week or month. I'm not sure if this mechanism is meant to motivate or pressure the user. Another strategy is to develop an emotional bond between the learner and the characters in the game. A successful example of this is Animal Crossing, where players form friendships with the characters and are eager to see them every day. With the cute animals showing affection in Noun Town, I believe this could encourage players to return and continue learning. Maybe the player do not fully understand what the humanoid characters are saying, but I doubt they will be able to resist the charm of these animals. In second language acquisition, there is a well-known theory called the affective filter hypothesis, proposed by Krashen. It suggests that when the affective filter is low, the brain can absorb more knowledge, thus accelerating learning. The affective filter is influenced by motivation, self-confidence, and anxiety. With these cute animals showering players with affection, I believe the affective filter will drop, allowing for faster learning. To the Noun Town development team, thank you for this adorable update. This is our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay awesome. See you in the next video.